Heygen Interactive Avatar. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and search Heygen. Click Sign Up for free to begin creating your account. Sign up using email or other account options available on the platform. For this example, let's use email as the registration method. Set up your password when prompted during the account creation process. Now click Choose Free to select the free plan option. Inside your Heygen dashboard, click Interactive Avatar to access the avatar features. Go to Public Avatars to browse available options. There's a bunch of list interactive characters ready to use for your projects. For example, choose 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀𝘀 from the available avatar selection. Select your knowledge base based on your specific needs and requirements. For example, choose Business Coach as your knowledge base category. Set your language to English to ensure proper communication. Then click Chat Now to proceed to the interactive session. Now wait until the AI finish connecting to establish the conversation link. After the connection is complete, you can use chat to start conversation with your chosen avatar, where you can use the microphone on the right below for voice interaction.